Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will learn how to access the Fractrade web UI. Okay, so for that, we have to go to the directory where we will see that we have the config file here, right? So what we will do, first of all, whenever we make any changes, we have to take the backup of the original file. So if something goes wrong, then we can always revert back to the original position. Okay, so I'll make the backup as original. Okay, enter, and let's verify that we have the file. Yes, we have the file. Now we can go and change this. Okay, so now I'll access the file here. I have already added few things here. So as pair whitelist BTC I already added, and from volume to static I have done already. So I just need to, okay, so for the web UI I will change from false to true here. I will change, okay, and this IP address I will change to 0000. What it means? It means that when it is 1 to 7 means it will listen only on the loop interface, right? But when we change to 000, it means that it will listen on the all the available network interfaces, right? That's done. And again, I will change, I will add a user here. So I will, for the demo purpose, I will add Fractrade, and here also Fractrade. So this is just the random number which was given by the Fractrade. So you can even remove these lines, you no need as of now, and even this one. Okay, so I will hit save. Okay, and what I will do, I will just docker compose down, and I will verify that. Okay, now I will just run the command docker compose up, so to check that there is no errors and it is listening on all the interfaces. So it seems that it is working fine. PID 1 and UV cone running on HTTP 0008080. Okay, so it's running fine. So let's run this bot in the detached mode. Okay, and let's check the process. Yes, it is running. Okay, so now we go to here, and here we can enter local host and 8080. Yeah, so the UI is accessible. I will log in with the username which I given the file. So Fractrade, the bot name is Fractrade, right? And then copy here, paste here, and okay, it says it is online. Okay, we can even check the dashboard, charts, logs here. I'll just enter, and dashboard, charts, logs, trade, in that general, performance, balance. Okay, here it will like show us only one pair list, that is BTC USDT, because we have only mentioned one there, right? So this is how you access the UI, and if you have any questions you can comment down below, and I will also mention the website link in the description, so you will be easily able to copy and paste the commands in your terminal. So see you until then, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.